Business closures have surged as liquidations climb. Stats SA reported a 1.4% increase in liquidations for February, with 140 businesses shutting down, including 14 compulsory and 126 voluntary liquidations. While liquidations dropped by 12.5% month on month, the trend reflects ongoing pressures on businesses. Additionally, of the closures, 73 were companies and 67 closed corporations. Principal Survey statistician Annika Mashwana provides insights on these trends.
The number of business liquidations in the South African economy increased by 1.4% year on year in February 2025. This represents a rise of two liquidations from a total of 138 in February 2024 to 140 in February 2025. The 140 liquidations recorded in February 2025 include 14 compulsory liquidations and 126 voluntary liquidations. Broken down by the type of institution, 73 companies and 67 closed corporations closed their doors in February 2025. The number of company closures decreased by 2 cases year on year. The number of liquidations by closed corporations increased by 4 cases over the same period. The total number of liquidations decreased by 12.5% in the 3 months ended February 2025 compared with the 3 months ended February 2024.